As tax season approaches, many of us start gathering documents and preparing to file. You might be wondering about a crucial piece of information from last year, especially if you plan to submit your taxes electronically. Yes, you generally do need a piece of information from your prior year's tax return to successfully e-file your federal income taxes. Specifically, the Internal Revenue Service requires your adjusted gross income, or a GI, from your previous year's tax return for identity verification. This requirement helps protect your personal information and prevents fraud. The IRS uses your prior year's GI as a unique identifier, confirming that it is truly you submitting the current year's return. It is a key security measure, much like a password, but one that changes each year. If you filed a federal tax return last year, your AGI can be found on line 11 of your Form 1040. If you are using tax software, it will typically ask for this number as part of the e-filing process. If you did not file a tax return last year, or if you filed a $0 return, you should enter 0 as your prior year AGI when e-filing. Also, if your prior year's return has not been fully processed by the IRS, perhaps due to a late filing or an amendment, you should still enter 0 for your AGI. One helpful tip to remember is that if you used the same tax software last year, your prior year's AGI might automatically populate when you begin your new return. This small convenience can save you time and reduce stress, making the e-filing experience even smoother. If you need to retrieve your previous year's return, you can often access it through your tax software account or request a tax transcript directly from the IRS online. Understanding the importance of your prior year's adjusted gross income for e-filing ensures a secure and straightforward tax submission. Having this number ready will help you sail through the identity verification step, keeping your filing journey on track and giving you peace of mind.